Jared, you're gonna learn some little AC 101, huh?
Yes, sir.
All right, we're using our Power Probe wireless temp sensors. You can see they're doing their job. We got 97.3 out of the vents. We don't have the AC on yet because I did want to show that there is, in fact, refrigerant in the system. Not much, but there's some. So, that's a plus. We have that going for us. So, I'm going to hook up the tank, and I'm going to begin charging it, and we're going to put the AC on and see if it does the job. So, I got everything hooked up. We're going to introduce some refrigerant to the system. And I'm going to go turn the AC on and see if we can get the compressor to engage. Got it on max air. Got our sensors doing their thing. Go ahead and close that door, Jared. It's trying to engage it. You hear it? Yeah. How it's revving up. It's starting to get pressure to trigger it. See the let's start. Obviously we aren't getting any cooling yet. Get some refrigerant staying on longer and longer. Alright, so it's cycling and staying on longer, and you can see our temp is dropping. We're about 10 degrees lower than we were. See how it's staying on longer and longer? It's getting there. It's working on it. It just takes time because it was low. And the cylinder, I bet's a little almost out too. But I have another one. We are dropping. So now we're staying on the compressor, and it's slowly building pressure, and you can see our temp is coming down. 55.9 out of the vent, 55.8 out of the other one, 56.8 out of the other one, with a 90.7 ambient. We have just a little bit more to go on our high side to get right where we want. Almost there. All right. I think we're going to call that good. About 90 ambient, 51.8-ish out the vents. Let's see what it brings up the next round. Come on. 51.6. We'll take it. That's 40 degrees. All right. So we have a P0174 System 2 Lean Bank 2. Could be an exhaust leak, could be a vacuum leak, but that's quick and easy diagnosis, so we'll dig in that in a minute. Meanwhile, I'm sitting here with your AC freezing. So we got that part done. I'm gonna take a look underneath for the leaks and then get you a quote on the rest of this.